Are you looking for the top 5 best smart stick vacuum cleaners? When you search for best smart stick vacuum cleaners, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1. Bissell Featherweight Stick Vacuum. First up is the Bissell 2033 Featherweight Stick Vacuum. Priced at just $34.98, this lightweight gem caught my eye because of its ability to convert into a hand vacuum. If you want an affordable, versatile vacuum for quick cleanups, this is worth a serious look. The Bissell vacuum is under 4 pounds, making it incredibly easy to maneuver from room to room. This matters because you won't struggle to haul it around, especially in tight spaces like dorms or apartments. Plus, it has a 15-foot power cord, meaning no battery charges are needed, so you can clean continuously without interruptions. The 0.67-liter dirt cup is transparent, allowing you to see when it's time to empty it. No more guessing games. Now, some people complained about the suction power not being strong enough for deep cleaning carpets. Here's the thing though, it's designed primarily for quick pickups on hard floors and low pile carpets, so for those quick messes, it's still a solid option. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight vacuum that's easy to store and use. Skip this one if you have thick carpets or need something for heavy-duty cleaning. At this price, the value is hard to beat. Now, if the Bissell's limited suction for carpets bothers you, this next one might actually be
Product number 2. Eureka Blaze 3-in-1. Next up is the Eureka NES 215A Blaze. At just $33.99, this 3-in-1 vacuum really stands out with its swivel steering and onboard crevice tool. If you want a vacuum that's lightweight and versatile for various cleaning tasks, this one deserves your attention. What makes the Eureka Blaze special is its 9.5-inch cleaning path and its powerful 2-amp motor. This means it can easily pick up larger debris and dust bunnies without pushing them around. Ideal for hard floors and low-pile carpets, its washable filtration system helps keep the air clean, which is particularly important if you suffer from allergies. Some users have mentioned that it struggles with pet hair on thicker carpets, but let's be honest, this vacuum excels on hard surfaces, making it a go-to for most homes where hardwood or tiles are prevalent. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight solution that's easy to maneuver. Skip this if you have a lot of thick carpeting to clean. For the price, it's a fantastic deal for everyday cleaning. Alright, that was a solid option. Product number 3. Levoit Cordless Vacuum. Now, let's talk about the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Although the price isn't listed, it's gaining popularity with over 10,000 units sold in the past month. This vacuum is specifically designed for pet owners, promising up to 50 minutes of runtime. If you want a cordless vacuum that can handle pet hair and everyday messes, this one is definitely worth considering. With its anti-tangle feature and a powerful suction design, this vacuum makes quick work of pet hair on both carpets and hard floors. The large dust bin empties with just one click, making cleanup super easy. However, some customers found it a bit heavy for prolonged use. But here's the thing, for those quick cleanups and daily maintenance, the weight isn't a significant issue. This is perfect for you if you have pets and need a vacuum that's quick and efficient. Skip this if you prefer a corded model with unlimited power. Overall, it offers great value for its features. Product number 4. HFF-LH Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Next is the HFF-LH Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, priced at $109.99. This vacuum packs a punch with a powerful 600-watt brushless motor. If you want something that really tackles stubborn dirt and pet hair, this one might be right up your alley. The standout feature is the 50 kPa suction power that cleans everything from carpets to hardwood floors. With a runtime of up to 65 minutes, it's perfect for larger homes. Plus, the OLED smart display keeps you informed about battery life and operating status, which is pretty nifty for planning your cleaning sessions.
Now, some users have reported issues with battery longevity over time. Now, here's the thing. As long as you're keeping an eye on the battery, this vacuum should serve you well for daily cleaning without issue. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful vacuum that has smart features and long battery life. Skip this if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. Honestly, it's worth the investment for the performance.
Product number 5, the new Yupo 10-in-1 vacuum. Lastly, we have the new Yupo cordless vacuum cleaner priced at $75.99. This is a 10-in-1 multifunctional vacuum, and what I love is its lightweight design at just 5 pounds. If you need a versatile vacuum that adapts to various cleaning tasks, this one is a great choice. The new Yupo offers a powerful 480-watt motor with strong suction capabilities, which means it can handle everything from carpets to hard floors with ease. The smart touch display is intuitive, letting you switch between modes effortlessly. Plus, the anti-winding design minimizes hair tangles, which is a real time saver. Some users pointed out the runtime of 20 to 45 minutes can be limiting. But here's the thing, for most daily cleaning tasks, this should be more than enough, especially with its quick charging feature. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight vacuum that doesn't sacrifice power or versatility. Skip this if you need extended cleaning times without recharging. For its price and features, it offers solid value. So there you have it, the Bissell Featherweight for quick cleanups, the Eureka Blaze for maneuverability, the Levoit for pet hair, the powerful HFFLH for deep cleaning, and the versatile new Yupo for all-around use. Each has its strengths, so consider your specific needs. Happy cleaning!